Pool home with spa in desirable Kings Cove neighborhood, just off the shore of Lake Griffin on the Lake County chain of lakes. No HOA and you can have your boat or RV on the property. Fee-based boat ramp just down the street. Close to the villages for shopping and entertainment. This solid brick family home has 3 generous bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, a dining room, living room and a separate family room off of the screen-enclosed pool area and lanai. Sitting on almost 1/2 acre, with no rear neighbors directly behind, it has loads of potential, and at this price you can afford to put your own personal stamp on it. Make your appointment to see this home before it is gone.